Guys, welcome back to another video. My hand is killing me because I went snowboarding or whatever, and it was a ghetto setup, so I cut my hand everywhere, so it's kind of hurting right now. But anyways, I got to set the dynamic straight with you guys, okay? I am like your dad, okay? So you gotta treat me as such. You guys are like my little kids, you know? I'm like the teen parent, you know? And I'm taking care of you guys, okay? So you guys gotta act right, okay? Like, I'm telling you guys, like, oh, I gotta switch the audio up, but okay, just up your volume. I see it now. But yeah, yesterday's video, someone commented my audio levels were low. I don't really know. Oh, it's because my thing is up. Oh my god. Okay, now is it better? Okay, but let's set the dynamic shit, okay? All right, respect me as your father. I am here to guide you. I am here to make you some money. So like, and I do it for free, okay? It's not like I ask money, right? I don't have a Discord. I probably won't because I have a lot of other stuff going on. Like I literally have an app in development right now, so I can be spending my time on that, or I just could be spending my time differently, right? I don't have to make the videos. But anyways, set the dynamic straight, respect, or no videos. Okay, that's what. Yeah, that exactly. I said it, bro. I don't have to do these. Okay, I just do it because I want to help people. But anyways, so okay. So I'm gonna show you the view that's with the drawings, and then I'm gonna actually draw it for you guys today, okay? Because I'm that nice and I listen to you guys' comments, right? But these 30 minutes and 5 minutes I'm not gonna draw, but essentially what happened is these are pretty simple. These are like few agos, so it's not very hard to catch. So left shoulder, head right here, right shoulder that I talked about yesterday's video, then we had that drop, that break today off right here, right shoulder right here, and then we close this inverse cup right here. However, you can see that we lack that continuation off this right shoulder, which didn't form. And then we basically tapered right here with blue. And I don't have, hold on, I'm gonna put that right here. Right, so we tapered off of blue and then had that bounce. And unfortunately, we didn't have that continuation, right? We tapered at teal, right? So the next structure you do have to wait for is, again, close of another inverse cup, right? And then wait for the right shoulder, and again the target is the blue right here, and you want to see if we do break, we have to start activating a stronger selling if we want to break through blue, right? So look out for that tomorrow, and I'll also show you what's gonna happen if we have to go up, right? So left shoulder, head right here, we have to at least let the 5-day come down, right? So this is gonna be the setup: left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here off of 5-day. So wait for a 5-day, like, and you're gonna have the blue eye go off of 5. Let me just draw that real quick for you guys so you don't have to blame me. Okay, so left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, microstructure right here, and then right shoulder, and then take it to the 50-day, right? 50 days going to be target, closing of the liquidity right here, and then potentially we're going to get some type of retracement, right? Build the liquidity, and then the target is to close the cup right here, right? This the target would be this teal right here, right? So yeah, which is going to be heavy resistance, so be careful. But anyways, again, on the 5-minute, right, for today's trade, right, you can see the right shoulder off of yellow right here all the way down, and then we tapered right here with the blue. You can clearly see that, and then we had the bounce off of blue, then left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, closing of this cup. But then you can see that we had no continuation. We actually broke below. Left shoulder, head, we didn't the buyers weren't able to protect right here, right? The sellers regained control, and then it was kind of choppy at the end of the day, so I did call it a day early, and that's what's you're supposed to do on Friday if there's like no continuation structure, like, right? For if you didn't see that inverse head and shoulder right here, right? They would have been it was a sign there was no continuation structure for the rest of the day, right? And do you really want to trade a chop, right? Like for the last hour, do you really want to trade the chop, right? It's not really worth it. You can wait for the bigger structure, right? Especially like waiting for the inverse cup to now close again right here, right? And then take a handle off of here, right? But anyways, let me just draw the trades for you. So the first trade was essentially right here. Second trade you could have added on right here. Third trade you could take the trade up. You could add on right here at the break of red right here. Then you could also take this short right here to the teal, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 trades today, and I'm going to show you them all in today, right? And I'm going to draw them for you. I hope you guys are seeing the screen. Okay, hold on. So all right, 6, 8, 3, 9, Oh my god, my OBS is in front. Okay, I'm gonna 1 second. Okay, now you guys see everything. Got my mind. The shit. Okay, so first blue, right? So, oh god, oh god. Oh, I should have. Okay, I should have just do teal, anyways. Okay, but you see how easy that was. That's basically how you draw algos. I extend it just for you guys, just for visual reference, right? So then, first trade of the day, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and the right shoulder you have a double top right here, right? And that gave us that big move down in this red selling, right? So then after that, you want to wait for essentially the cup to close again off of teal, right? So here we can see left shoulder, head, and then on this right shoulder, right, off teal right here that formed, right? You can see that we just didn't have that continuation, and we are also tapering. So when tapering, meaning we were just bouncing off of blue. You can see that we bounced off blue right here, bounced off blue right here, we bounced off blue right here. So that is an important level to pay attention, because to see the continuation down, right, we need to see the break of the tapering blue and price moving below that, and then you can take a short, and that'll give you better confirmation, right? So essentially then we set up for the next trade, right? We noticed that there might be a reversal, right? So there's another algo right here at play, right? So this is the tapering algo as well, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, right? So first we break pink or purple, whatever, right here, right? And then we break blue right here, right? And then guess what? We close the cup right here, right? In the strong green buying algo, right? You can see that we literally were in this green buying algo the whole time, right? Now, you can short this as well, because you notice that the lack of continuation, right? However, we have the blue algo here still, because we're still generally like building the handle, right? So would you take the trade right here? No, because guess what? The blue is down here, and you see how we're bouncing up every time. So that's basically the market just building liquidity, and it's just like stopping people out. So you do not want to be in that, okay? What you want to do is wait for the break of blue, or build that great risk reward, right? Where you have enough risk reward to even if you get stopped at blue, like you'll still be in profit, if that makes sense. But yeah, so that's the last trade of the day with the double top right here. And you can see that we lack the continuation right here. We basically got support at this blue right here, right? So that's why I draw my algorithms the whole day, because these algorithms are basically how the market moves the whole day. It's not just these will follow on. This is how the market moves. It's like how it's programmed, if that makes sense, like, you know. So it's just like, that's why you see it gets messy pretty quick, right? But this is usually the whole day of algos, okay? So yeah, that's basically it, and this is how you trade, right? And for example, right, if we also we're going up, right? So we have this, right, blue, right? Then we would also have pink. Let's do this, right? Oh Lord, I did that wrong. I actually been okay, bro. Alright. Okay, so what would have happened if we went up, right? So this is just a scenario I'm showing you guys, which didn't happen, but this is what you have to wait for, right? So left shoulder, head, right? And then this is the right shoulder in the sense, right? So left shoulder, head, then the right microstructure right shoulder would form right here, right? And we would have a right shoulder, microstructure of a right shoulder here, right? Then push up right here, and then test pink right here, and then test whatever the 5-day would be the next target, right? For example, right? So there would be various microstructures that you would have to pay attention, right? So then it would be left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and then test 5-day, or that would be the target, right? 586 level, or wherever the next resistance was, which was right here at white, right? So 585.59. and that's essentially what the resistance is right here, right? So that's the 585, right, level that we have to test, right? And then we would test the 5-day, which would be the next resistance, if that makes sense. So yeah, so that's how everything plays together. I hope you just saw that. Like, it wasn't that complicated, right? But yeah, so that's me simplifying all of this. You see that? That's me simplifying everything for you guys. And yeah. Anyways, happy Friday. I ended the week green. I hope you guys did too. And again, if there's no continuation structure on Friday, it's usually a great idea to call it a day. Because even though this, right, it's not really worth it, because you already probably made your money off of this, made your money off of this, you made your money off of this reversal play right here. You made your money off the break of blue right here, break of blues all everywhere, right? So there was a lot of money to be made, and I hope you guys see that. And oh god, yeah, anyways, see you guys back on Monday, and have a great day.